Hi, everyone. Welcome to Assignment 3, Creating Your Reflective Portfolio Phase 3 Collect. Reflective Portfolio Strategy to Storage Part 1, worth 100 points. As you see, we're in the third section of the Grad Portfolio Story Process rubric, Collect. We're now looking at collecting evidence and artifacts to support your learning story, and then the more specific self-assessment, your significant learning events, and your plans for life after college. What do we mean by collecting evidence and artifacts of your learning? How will you support your significant learning experiences? Will you use pictures, narratives, coursework, write up things, make your own video, whatever you would like to do? As you see, we're moving on into the rubric 3. Rubric 3, as I said, it's worth 100 points. There's no length requirement, but I do have 4 questions I would like you to answer. And so by answering that, it's worth 100 points. Again, here's what the assignment will look like in D2L. I have the instructions here, the worksheets here, and I have the rubric posted and the link to this video as well. When you open up the assignment, you will see that this time I have included some resources. I would like you to take a look at, you've seen the reflective portfolio, but if you could take a look, and particularly at Joellen Freeman, our guest networker, who's the KSU archivist, gives really great overview of what artifacts are. And so take a look at that too. Also, here's what the worksheet looks like. There are 4 questions, and remember, you can always customize categories to fit your story. But basically, I'm asking you 4 questions. What do you want to include in your portfolio? Why do you want to include it? How will you archive? And what artifacts and evidence or narratives will include supporting your learning categories, such as any self-directed learning you talked about, key or significant learning events. You talked about education, employment, service, transferable skills, personal projects, or customize your categories. Many of you talked about personal stories in your learning experiences, so you customize this to fit you. Thank you. Enjoy developing your GPS grad portfolio story. One day closer to graduation.